So what we're gonna do today is actually throw some side skirts onto the car. In the last episode, you guys saw that we did install the lip kit from Maxton, which is looking pretty good, but it's definitely missing something over on this side here. And that is some side skirts. We're gonna go ahead and address that today. We're gonna install the Maxton side skirts that we had purchased a couple of months ago, and hopefully that'll transform this car and make it look a little better. Because nothing makes a build better than throwing plastic pieces on the car, right? Also, one more thing. Before we get started on the side skirts, I did install some slip low onto the front of the bumper. With that Maxton lip, it does kind of lower it a little bit, and I'm afraid of scraping, and I'm already scraping off my own personal driveway. This stuff is, yeah, it's not bad. I've already driven the car with the slip low on, and it does make a difference. And I do feel a little more comfortable going over speed bumps and steep driveways because, yeah, it just sucks to scrape all over the place. So if I can prevent that from happening and protect the lip, why the hell not? So these are the Street Pro side skirt diffusers for the Toyota Supra. And I think that they look great. We're gonna have to test fit these on the car. It looks like these holes are already pre-drilled, and it does come with some hardware as well. Obviously, again, no instructions that were included, but for the most part, it looks pretty solid. So just like the Maxton lip, we're gonna go ahead and organize all of our hardware. Organization is key when it comes to something like this because you don't wanna be disorganized, lose bolts or nuts. Yeah, it just makes it easier for the install. So the hardware itself is actually quite simple. It looks like it's a self-tapping bolt. I believe this should be an 8mm with a washer, so pretty straightforward. We're gonna go ahead and test fit the side skirts onto the bumper real quick, and then hopefully we can just ratchet these guys on. All right, let's see if we can figure out what side goes where. All right, that looks about right. So I think what I'm gonna try to do is use our jack stand trick just to hold it in place. Hopefully that'll make it easier to install.
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Want to make sure that's all lined up right there. And that it looks good over here. So once you get one bolt in over there, you should still be able to make your adjustments over on this side. Hey, this one doesn't have a freaking hole in it. It's pre-drilled. Is there a sticker down there? I don't think so. Okay, we'll have to get that addressed, and then we'll start bolting these in. Oh. Just a little piece of plastic.
Boy, if you don't...
All right, let's see if these self-tapping screws will get the job done here. Okay. All right, yeah, that wasn't too bad. Okay, now, let's go to the other side. See if we can even it out over here. This is gonna go straight into this plastic piece. Ooh. All right, we're in business. Cool. All right, man, so we finally got one side done. Looks pretty good. It looks pretty even to me and pretty straight. We've kind of got it all lined up here perfectly, and this is what it looks like over here. Pretty much flush. It's pretty dirty right now, obviously. I gotta wipe this all up, but not bad. Not bad at all. So let's go ahead and start working on the other side, and we'll see what the finished product looks like. last two. All right, so we finished up on both sides. But before I give you a close-up, let me clean it up because it's pretty dusty and it's not looking too hot. All right, guys, so it's all wiped up, it's all clean, and this is the finished product. So this is what it looks like installed. I think I did a fairly decent job. Lined up over here, it's all nice and clean. Don't mind the bumper. I know the car needs to get clean, we'll get to that. But for the most part, looks pretty good here. This is what it looks like, kind of zoomed out a little bit. And you can see, it pretty much matches the front lip almost perfectly. It just accentuates it quite a bit. Same thing over here on this side. It's very subtle. You can barely tell to the untrained eye, but I like the way it turned out. This is what it looks like from the rear. Again, it's nothing drastic, nothing crazy, just subtle. And that's kind of the theme with this build. I kind of want to just make it OEM plus. Next up, obviously, is gonna be the wheels. Yeah, that's gonna be the next cosmetic thing I think we're gonna do on the car is the wheels. Really hesitant to buy some lowering springs. I just don't want it to scrape. And I feel like the car is low enough already. I know to some people, this is still quite a bit of wheel gap. I mean, I can fit my whole hand in there. I mean, I've had my fair share of slammer cars, and it's not the funnest to drive around in, but it does look aesthetically appealing. I don't know, you guys let me know. I mean, this is the front of the car already, and it's quite low. I mean, here's my hand directly on the floor. Got a couple of inches over there. But for the most part, man, like, yeah. I'm liking the way the car is getting put together right now. Again, this is OEM plus. I'm not doing anything crazy here. Just simple modifications you can do inside your garage. Again, guys, let me know. What do you guys think about the ride height? Should I get springs? I don't know. You guys tell me. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deucey, baby.